In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight on Docusign. Whether you're new to Docusign or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process of highlighting important sections in your documents using Docusign's intuitive interface. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Docusign website. You can do this by entering Docusign's URL into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the main page, look towards the top right corner where you'll find the Login button. Clicking here will direct you to the Docusign login page. If you already have a Docusign account, simply enter your login credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account first. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. This is your central hub for managing your documents, creating new ones, and accessing templates. Now from the homepage, you should select a template that suits your needs. Docusign offers a variety of templates, which can serve as a great starting point for many types of agreements or documents. Once you have selected a suitable template, click to enter it. Within the template, you'll want to begin by adding all necessary details to your document. This might include filling out information like recipient names, email addresses, and any specific data pertinent to the document you're preparing. Once you're satisfied with the details you've added, click on the Next button. This will take you to the Field Setup page. Here's where the highlighting magic happens. On the right side of the screen, you'll see various fields that you can add to your document. To highlight specific parts of your document, you're going to focus on the Note section. Click on Note from the available options. This essentially acts as a way to draw attention to certain areas, almost like sticky notes or highlights. Once you've clicked Note, you can then click on the document to place your highlight. Position it wherever you'd like to draw attention, perhaps over a clause that requires special attention or a section where signatures are needed. You can resize and move this highlight area as needed. To finalize, review your document to ensure everything is in order. Make sure all your highlighted sections are visible and placed correctly. Once you're satisfied, you can proceed with sending out the document for signatures. That's it for this guide. Highlighting in Docusign effectively can streamline reviewing processes and make important document sections stand out to your recipients. I hope this step-by-step walkthrough has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy highlighting on Docusign.